Hi everyone, Mahesh Kamath here, founder of MK Trading School. In this particular session, I'm going to share my weekly overview of Nifty Index, basis of supply and demand, trading methodology. So let's start with the monthly chart of the Nifty Index. Monthly, we are in a strong uptrend. Weekly trend also is intact. Weekly also we are in an uptrend. Daily Nifty, which was range bound for quite some time, finally broke out of the range. Let's mark that range. So this was the high of the range and the low of the range. Nifty was oscillating between this range for quite some time. And if you have seen our previous session, we were looking to short at the high of the range, since in a sideways range, the trading that we can do is go short at the high of the range, go long at the low of the range. But personally, I'm not a very big fan of sideways range trading because something like this can happen anytime. So you never know when the next move will start, whether it will be a move up or a move down after the sideways consolidation. Let's mark the supply where we were looking to short. This was the supply zone where we were intending to short. We got one entry at the supply, worked well. Second time we had said we will look for a confirmation short. So what's a confirmation short? We were looking for some price action clues which would indicate that we need to go short here. But there were no price action clues that we got that we should look to go short. Nifty gave a breakout, a very strong move up. It has resumed the up move. So now there is no supply zones on Nifty index. So shorting Nifty at the moment is not what we are looking at. We as retracement traders should now look to go long on a pullback. So do we have any good demand zones created for us to join the move up? When Nifty broke out from the range, do we have any demand areas? So if you look on the daily chart, there is this drop base rally formation, but not the best structure. Reason being the base candle is too wide. So this demand zone, a pretty wide level, the basing candle has got a long wick, indicating that it is picking up orders from some other levels. So now if you want to go long here, the technical stop goes all the way below that wick. So which becomes a pretty wide level, may not give us any good reward to risk on the trade. So the plan should be to wait for Nifty to come back to this demand zone, maybe look for a deeper entry and a stop loss below this particular wick. And other thing that we need to check is on arrival, what are the opposing supply zones created? If Nifty arrives with opposing supply zones, that should be our target for the long trade. So the reward to risk needs to be favorable even on arrival. So that's my weekly analysis of Nifty index. In case you find this useful, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload our new videos.